Hello, welcome to Learn English with Getana. If you don't know me, my name is Getana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Getana. If you want to improve your English language skills, I can say this is a perfect place. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. Everyone wants us to ask good questions. However, if you want to ask good questions, firstly, you need to study variety of questions. Okay? You need to study yes or no questions. You need to study WH questions. You need to study direct yes or no questions. You need to study indirect yes or no questions. You need to study direct subject WH questions. You need to study indirect subject WH questions. You need to study direct object WH questions. You need to study indirect object WH questions. In this bite-sized video, we are going to study 5 questions. በዚች አጠር ባለች ቪዲዮ 5 ጥያቄዎችን መጠየቅ እንለማመዳለን። በአማርኛ ምነግራችኋለሁ። Are you ready? Let's get started. The first one is what's new? Let's say it together. እስኪ አንድ ላይ እንበለው። What's new? What's new? አንድን ሰው ምን አዲስ ነገር አለ ለማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? What's new ማለት ትችላላችሁ። Okay? What is new? You know, instead of saying what is new, it is advisable to say what's new? What's new? ምን ማለት ነው በአማርኛ? ምን አዲስ ነገር አለ ማለት ነው። So what's new? Let me know in the comment section below. ምን አዲስ ነገር አለ እስኪ አሳውቁኝ ኮሜንት ሴክሽኑ ላይ ጽፋችሁ ንገሩኝ እስኪ what's new? All right, now let's study the second question. The second question is where did you get it? Where did you get it? Let's say it together. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? ምን ማለት ነው በአማርኛ? የታገኘኸው ወይንም የታገኘሽው ወይንም ደግሞ የታገኛችሁት ነው። So, where did you get it? ለምሳሌ የሆነ ዕቃ ጠፍቷችሁ ከዛ በኋላ የሆነ ሰው ወንድማችሁ ወይንም እህታችሁ ወይንም አባታችሁ ወይንም እህታችሁ ቢያገኙት ያንን ዕቃ ምን ትላላችሁ? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, now let's proceed to the third question. What is the third question? Where are you? Where are you? Let's say it together. Where are you? Where are you? ምን ማለት ነው በአማርኛ? የት ነህ ወይንም የት ነሽ ወይንም ደግሞ የት ናችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከጓደኞቻችሁ ጋር ወጣ ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ወይንም ፈታ ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ደውላችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? Where are you? Where are you ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት የት ነህ ወይንም የት ነሽ ወይንም የት ናችሁ ማለት ነው። The fourth question is how much is it? How much is it? How much is it? ምን ማለት ነው? ስንት ነው ማለት ነው። Especially if you wanted to ask the price of something, you can use how much is it? How much is it? ማለት ትችላላችሁ ስንት ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ኮምፒውተር መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? How much is it? Let's assume you want to buy a mobile phone and then you can say how much is it? How much is it? In addition, let's assume you want to buy a microphone. You want to buy a mini microphone. ለምሳሌ ሚኒ ማይክሮፎን መግዛት ፈለጋችሁ ስንት ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? How much is it? How much is it? In addition to that, let's assume you want to buy a selfie stick. But if you want to ask its price, you can say, how much is it? How much is it? All right, the last question is, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? እስኪ አንድ ላይ እንበለው። Are you done? Are you done? What does it mean in Amharic? ጨርሰሃል ወይንም ጨርሰሻል ወይንም ጨርሳችኋል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ መምህራን ክላስ ወርክ ከሰጡ በኋላ ተማሪዎች መጨረስ አለመጨረሳቸውን ለማረጋገጥ ምን ይላሉ? have you finished ይላሉ አይደለ? that is correct. in addition to that, if you want to create variety, you can use are you done? variety መፍጠር ከፈለጋችሁ have you finished ከሚለው በተጨማሪ ማን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? are you done መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ነው። so are you done ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ጨረሳችሁ፣ ጨረስኩ ወይንም ጨረስሽ ማለት ነው። so that is all about today's video. if you have any question, please guys don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, see you.